Hi, welcome to another Stephen and Alona's adventure. This one is the cycle track at Sandos Caracol Eco Resort. You hire the bikes right at the entrance of the hotel. They're not brilliant bikes, they don't have gears, the brakes are iffy, but it's not a particularly hard course, as you'll be able to see. It's all mainly concrete pathways or dirt paths. But it's a very attractive cycle through the hotel grounds, and it's something different to do when you're on holiday, so we thoroughly enjoyed it.
Okay, there's no gear. There's no gear. Sometimes you come across with the coatis or kotai or however you pronounce it, and monkeys on the pathway, which is really cool. We jumped a bit here because the roads are a little bit bumpy and the camera actually fell down on me, and it's just half an hour recording just my knees, and none of you want to see that. This is the part which is part of the hotel grounds but not the actual hotel complex. They have some genuine Mayan ruins here, and also they do a show here, one of their shows, and they do one of their activities, the Mayan cooking. We never did that.
The hotel does 3 big shows a week. One's based on the beach, one's based at the cenote, and one is based up in this area up here. This one has a lot of fire involved in it. It's really quite good. I think we've recorded all 3 shows, but they're about an hour long, at least an hour long, so it might be a bit of a long YouTube thing, but it's definitely worth going and watch those shows.
One important thing when you go to the evening shows, just take mosquito repellent with you, because there are so many mosquitoes.
As you can see, we come across these 2 fellas during a bike ride. They're having a little scrap. This is a really good place to see iguanas. They are on the pathways, they're on the rocks, sunning themselves and stuff. These 2 were just having a fight. Eventually it stopped with one of them winning and the other one scarpering off and losing his territory. We're heading back now to the beginning of the cycle track, so you'll see the bit which we had to cut out because the camera was just recording the floor. In a bit we've sped the rest of the journey up just so you can see where it goes and what part of the hotel you get to see on the journey back. But as you can see, it's a fairly flat journey. There's some small inclines but nothing too major. But it's really quite an enjoyable activity to do. As you can see, this is the sped up bit, and we're just cycling through the hotel, or the back of the hotel grounds, past some of the accommodation blocks, and in and out of some of the wood, past the perimeter wall. Alona, anything to add to this?
Yeah, that's the bit I think where you can see lots of the kotais, sometimes monkeys.
We're just coming up to the main entrance here, so this is a bit you'll see when you first arrive at the hotel. There's the main drive, and here's coming the entrance just around the corner. Thank you. So, we hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. If you don't, give us a thumbs down. Please make any comments you wish, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.